Hi guys, in this class I will discuss with you about a basic structure of HTML. What is a basic structure of HTML? That structure is easy, and I have shown with you in the very first class that what is a HTML basic structure. But in this class I will show you basic structure, and I will discuss each and every part of the basic structure of HTML. First of all, this is a doc type tag, and you have to write this type of doc type HTML. We show that which type of version of HTML you are using. So there are different version of HTML like HTML4 and HTML5. So this type of doc type HTML is showing that you are using a HTML5 version. This is a case insensitive. You can use doc type in the small letter, but recommend is that you have to use a doc type in the capital letter. So in the next, what is this is a HTML. We say that this is a tag. So tag is that which have a opening tag and other is closing tag. So this is a starting tag or opening tag. Identification of a closing tag is that will have a slash before a name of tag. So other is this is also a starting tag of a head. You can also see that this is a starting tag of HTML, and its ending tag is this one, because you can see that before a name of a tag here is a slash. So in the next, you can also see that this is a closing or ending of a head tag. Identification is that it have a slash. So body is a starting tag. So you can see that this is a heading, this is a paragraph. H1 show that you are using a heading, because it maybe need of a writing or showing a heading in your website. So you have to use a H1 tag if you want to insert a heading. If you want to write an article, there may be condition when you want to insert a heading. So use a H1 tag that create a heading for you. So there are other also headings like a H1, H2, H3 up to H6, depend upon their size. So this one a paragraph, it will create a paragraph for you. H1 is a starting, this is a H1 is closing, P is starting, P is closing. So between that you have to write your desired content. So this is also a starting and closing tag. So HTML is closing tag. You can see that every tag will have a two things, that is a starting tag and other is a ending tag. So this is a basic structure of HTML. You have to write this structure. So these are the optional. You can use any type of content. For example, if you want to insert video, audios, images, or other sections, paragraph headings, you have to use in the body section, because a body section is one section which have a visible content for the user, and head section is one that which contain a information about a website, like a website author name, a website description, website keywords, website title, etc. This information is inserted in the head section. So for your information, HTML have a two part of a basic structure. So one is a head section, other is a body section. I have discussed with you in the head section you will find a information about a website. In the body section you will find a visible content that you create for a user, you will find in this section. So this is a basic structure. I will create a basic structure of HTML in the notepad. So this is a notepad. You know that in the previous class I show you and write a HTML start and end tag. So from start or from the top I use a doc type which show a variant of a HTML. Then I will write a basic structure of HTML. You can see that this is a complete tag for HTML start tag, and this is a end tag. In the HTML tag, first of all I will use a head section. In the head section what I have to do, you can also use here, and giving a tab have a special purpose, which means that I create a good look of a coding, but I can also use this tag without giving a tab or extra spaces. It work with a same, it will work as the same, no difference. So in the head section, I give a title, and then I can write a title. It will show a browser top bar. Title of a website, it is a compulsory part. You have to write a title for the web page. So other is a body section. Visible information you provide for a user, you have to use in the body section. For example, if you want to insert image, video, audios, pictures, graphs, headings, paragraph, you have to insert in the body section. So for example, I want to insert a heading, then you have to use this one. And if you want to insert a paragraph, you have to use this paragraph. You can write anything else you want. So if you want to write more paragraph, you can copy and paste here. Now time is that you have to save this file. So there are two methods. You can also click here and control as save. So in the web designing, the HTML course, I will paste I will save this file. I will save this file with name basic structure of HTML. So point is that you have to mention its extension .html. .html you have to write at the end after the file name, because it will create a HTML file for you. So save this file, open that folder. This is the file that I created now, basic structure. So this is the browser tab bar is showing a website title. So these are the this is the one a heading. These are the two paragraph that I created in the basic structure. So when I any modification here, website title here, when save this file and refresh this page, you can see that its title is update now. I can also update this one heading JafriCode. You can write here. When refresh the page, you can see that this also change here. So this is a basic structure of HTML. You can use this type of structure. Also basic structure is this one. This is a basic structure. Visible content you have to write here. So all about a basic structure, you have to do practice with your hand. So if you have any question, any confusion, you can discuss with me without any hesitation. Thank you.